Hello everybody, CozyAzeroth, aka Zachary Fruhling here. I am back with program number 4 from the book called 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer. This program is called C4 Dice. So we are going to read the program description and then type in the program, run it in the Classic 99 emulator, and take a screenshot or two and document this old type-in program for posterity. Okay, number 4, C4 dice. 2 dice not enough for your game? Here's how to C4 dice after a roll. Naturally, this program works just like the program in tip number 3, except that the for next loop in lines 50 through 140 makes the computer roll and display 4 times rather than 2 times. If you need 6, 8, or 10 dice on display, change the number 2 in line 50 to 3, 4, or 5. Okay, program listing. Is it all going to fit on one screen? No, it's not. So let's do the first part. Let's get into TI Basic. Okay, 10 randomize. 15 call clear, clears the screen. 20 print to roll 2 dice. To roll 2 dice. I think we had a comma. Yep, and an end quote. 30 input, press enter. And I'll type it exactly as written, no space, and we have colon ky string. So like a great many programs in this book, ky string is just a placeholder variable used to store whatever input is entered by the user, and that variable is not used in any way. So it's just a placeholder. So 40, call clear. 50 for L equals 1 to 2. 60 DQ equals integer of 7 times RND. $70. If DQ is less than 1, then 60. Okay, DR equals INT 7 times RND. It's random. Oop, I got a typo here already. Let's fix that. There we go. 7 times RND. And 90 if DR is less than 1, and then 80. DR is less than 1, and then 80. Okay, 100 print. Okay, let's count our asterisks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 130, oh excuse me, 110 print. You gotta be a little careful with this line. Okay, asterisk space quote. We've got semicolon DQ semicolon. We've got asterisk space, oh, excuse me, quote, not asterisk, space asterisk space quote semicolon DR semicolon. Then we have quote, space, asterisk, quote. Quote, space, asterisk, quote. Okay, 120, print, 13 more asterisks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 130, print, 140, next L, 150 print, 160 print, and 170 go to 20. Okay. Let's, I think we're good. Let's run the program. To roll 2 dice, press enter. Okay, so here we go. The first pair of dice were 6 and 6. The second pair of dice were 6 and 4. Press enter. 2 and 1, 2 and 3. 6 and 2, 3 and 6. That's kind of a fun combination. Let's get a screenshot of that. Two and 6, 1 and 5. All right, shall we try modifying the program to do 3 pairs of dice, as suggested in the program introduction? So we need to change line 50, it says, right? Yep. Okay, so change line 50. Let's do 3 pairs of dice. So 50 for L equals 1, 2, 3. And we need to actually change the prompt. So 20 print to roll 3 dice. And now, let's go stop the program. Let's see our changes we made. To roll 3 dice, press enter. L equals 1 to 3. Okay, let's run it. To roll 3 dice, press enter. Actually, not 3 dice, it would be 6 dice, right? Actually, wait a minute, did I make a... Oh yeah, look, you know, we should have been to roll 4 dice originally, right? Not 2 dice, 2 pairs of dice. 3 dice, so let's fix this. List. Okay, 20 print to roll 6 dice. That's better. There we go. 6 dice. 2, 4, 4, 4, 4. Perfect. That's much better. In fact, you know, let's help the author out a little bit. As much as I love this book, there at every turn I see little things I would do to fix the program. So let's go back to the original version. So 50 for L equals 1 to 2. And then 20 will print to roll 4 dice. So this should be a bit more consistent now. I think you meant 2 pairs of dice, not 2 dice. Okay, run. To roll 4 dice, press enter. 3 and 2, 3 and 2. 1 and 6, 4 and 6. 4 and 2, 1 and 2. 1 and 3, 5 and 4. That's a nice combo. Okay. Keep going. 2 and 4, 5 and 2. 5 and 6, 4 and 2. And so on and so forth. Anyways, this is a ever so slightly improved and slightly more consistent version of the program to roll 4 dice, not 2 dice. I think the author meant either 4 dice or 2 pairs of dice. Copy editing on the book was a little specious, as much as I love this book. All right, well that was C4 Dice, I think it was called. C4 Dice from 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer, one of my favorite TI basic books when I was a kid. Hope you enjoyed this run through of this short program. If you're watching this on YouTube, be sure to check out my YouTube channel. You can find it under CozyAzeroth or under my real name, Zachary Fruhling, for more TI-99 4A content. Other retro programming content. I'm working on a retro video game in Pico 8, a lot of World of Warcraft, and some other modern game streaming. Be sure to check out my Twitch channel as well. You can find it under CozyAzeroth, and if you're watching this live on Twitch, same thing, check out my YouTube channel, and I appreciate any likes and subscribes. Thank you very much. Have a good time, and tune in for future videos. I'll be back before you know it. Take care.